and welcome back to one of our other aviaries that we have. We have in this side a male Californian quail. We sadly lost the hen partner to him earlier this year. We'll probably be replacing her with another one. Down here we have some diamond doves. A couple are actually pied diamond doves. I don't know if the camera's actually really picking it up that well. And then that's the male yellow Turkey parrot. Yep, we've got two types here. And that's the female Turkey yellow parrot. You probably remember in one of my last videos we've got the normals. Her name's Summer. You haven't actually named the male. I don't know why. That flashy little bugger there is one of the masked doves that we bred. And he lives quite happily with the diamond doves.